Stay bored, you know. Fire, fire.
Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time watching this channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, show up the video them, watch the video to the end, because you don't know that is very important to get a lot of views. So big up on yourself, continue to show support while we continue to put in the work. All right? Boy, Dario. See, you take on for the work, you know. You may take on for your work, man. Boy, your mother must proud of you. But here, I don't collect all that money for your work, you know. I'm just a give you a little thing for go and hold until I collect your rest.
Thank you for this, you know. This go help a lot. I just want to put in some more work so I can make some more money.
You just have to just keep at it. And one I think I want to tell you, I don't expect you to die for the rest of your life. At some point, you can go up on your own and start your own thing. You understand?
Yeah, man.
And it's good that you know follow you them in the community. You get me, I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, because enough of them right now no want on trade.
Yeah. I just want to thank you for all the help, you know, because I don't know if people that just give somebody want work when they young like me.
No, man, I want to see you strive, man. And the other thing too, I want to tell you one thing. You see, you're there, you want to learn trade. Don't make no. You're a welder, and then man, I love come to people for you come build homemade gun for them. Don't make none influence of build no gun.
Yeah, man. I'm not interested in it, man. I just want to focus on working, making some money so I can give back to my mother because I know say she have it hard. So I just want to do the best for her. So right now, my mother, I have a link to give this, you know.
Alright, do that, man, and then forward back when it's on. Alright?
Yeah, man. Me come back later on an idea, man.
Alright.
Yeah, so later.
One ball.
One second there, up on the ground.
We them go chop off here in the start. No, man, I no bother chop it off start, because when I go there to chop it off, I want different man, me sit on the ends and sell weed.
No, man, you hear that? And Shirley Crab no link me. Brother, Shirley Crab are only man around this way I sell weed for me now. So you mean new man up on black?
I think I found out now. So I no bother let off it in, just come to it for them.
Yo, we're circle around there, you know. And any man me see on that ends about them a sell no weed, no brother. A dark up the place, you know.
Them thing are different thing. You can't have a thing around some man sell on your ends and them thing there. When it come to weed, a bad man sitting them thing there, brother. A man no come up set. What do you think?
Brother, me say me done talking, you know. Dark me I go out there go dark up the place if me go out there go see no man on the ends about them at yo what.
So I'll let you talk yourself then.
We still go out there, man. That's something I wait for. You see me? So money for forward.
Alright, me get one thing.
What Where do pack up?
Yes, cause nothing now go on the day dead.
Yeah.
I don't sell nothing from morning. I know how much money I have to pay the taxi man to carry me down here, so now I have to go pay one next money and I don't make nothing. But I just so I go still. Today,
But
I don't sell.
you know, sir,
I we sell.
I did done a Mattox and I do some my painting on the grill and he give me a money, so I didn't want to get. I just $10,000, but I say I can go back up there and do some more work and make some more money.
Thank you, my son. God bless you.
Yeah, man, no problem, man.
That's why I have to love your son.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you know, nothing to worry about, you know. We're not going to stay in a poverty for long, you know.
I know, I see it.
I say I can just learn a trade and just go and make some more money.
You know, I say ambitious long time, you know. Help me carry this boat. Oh, you alone me carry?
Yeah, man, me
Put in
carry.
which part me can get the taxi out there, so.
Alright, come on.
Yes.
Yeah, Martha. Yo.
Alright, time we catch it, man.
Where you going then? When you say you going now?
They are my general, man.
No, say I sit more for make for me.
Here what you do now. You see this? This all go up on top, so see?
Hold on. What exactly do I bill?
It's a strap here, bill, man. But
No,
here,
no, bro.
What's on, man? Is it Mattox? Look, no man. One
look like two tack, a two
I just
tack
well,
here.
I well this as some Mattox. Yeah, well this and so.
We put the spring on the back, brother.
Just, yeah, man. Wow, you see me?
No,
You make this set.
As long as we set it in, so like.
No, you are going. Cause me don't want to feel like a style, no, you know. But it's the thing that means I'm on a principle, you know. And there's certain things me not in a hit. Me can't be long gun. Me can't be long gun for me. Sorry. It better I go link with somebody else but do welding and ask them for do it. But me not depend that.
Yo, God no Mattox. I say I deal with it.
No, I don't know. Me just be honest with you. No style. Me I try style no nothing. But just I tell you the truth.
Yeah, should I just hurry up and
Let
deal
me tack it then.
No, bro. Me's a man of principle, brother. I mean, I depend on certain things. The building a gun and them thing there. I don't want to get myself in a problem. And I see them gun when me a build gun. I'll kill half of youth them in the community.
You know, say better me go link spoon. Them man never have better sense than you know. Your son, you know. But you have better sense than you know.
You bet you go and go link him. But me not depend on that.
Yo, come in here, man. Cause just make sure say if you buy it, you know a thing setting. Come in here.
So where I say now?
You see a road saying there?
Yeah, man.
Ain't that?
Yeah, man. I just drive past and put it on it.
Yo, just make sure say you take him out it. You understand? No man to the ends.
Well, we could just do this and get rid of that thing about 5 room, brother.
This we teach him, man. Ready up, you know?
Where you go, man?
You say ready? Ready? Make sure.
Yeah, yeah, man. Ready, man.
No, hiccups, leave. Hey boy, you know. Fire.
Gracie, I know you might be worried at this time, but I'm just here to support you and to make you identify for your son. Alright? Alright. Everything alright. Everything alright.
Hi, Mr. Barnett. Hi.
Yes, Jess. You
Are-
again?
That is so like you're happy to see me.
Not really.
That's sad. Why?
But how can I help you today, Jess?
Alright, I'm not going to take up a lot of your time, right? As you know, I'm a journalist and you're the police, and police normally help journalists, right? Yeah, that's true. So I wanted to ask you some questions based on a report that I'm working on, right? So if you don't mind, I'll be typing. That's fine?
Do you think?
So about the 17-year-old that died, do you have any recent information on that?
No, I don't.
No.
No,
Are you withholding information?
no, I am not. Do you have any information on that?
No, not yet, not yet.
Okay.
Okay, do you know where the deceased is from?
No, I don't. Do you know?
Mr. Barnett, we are friends, right?
I am a police and you are a civilian. Yes.
We're a journalist and we help each other sometimes, right?
I don't know what you're getting at, but okay.
Alright, so you're sure you're not withholding information from the journalist?
No, Jess. No, no.
Okay. No, Mr. Barnett, we've been working together for such a long time. No, we're not co-workers, but we're doing such a good job as partners.
Yeah, we are. A very, very good job.
And I think as partner, you are not being fair.
As partner?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to be like that.
So you want to give me the information now?
I can tell you that we're actively investigating the matter.
All that thought. So is it alright if I record instead of typing, since as you're willing to give information?
Yes, partner.
Okay. Alright, so Mr. Barnett, you can proceed with your information.
Yes, the police is actively investigating the matter and I'm not at liberty to discuss anything in detail at the moment.
So the information is classified right now.
Yes. See, you got it. I know that you're learning it.
Okay, what not yet. So like how the information is classified now. When you're ready to release information, can we go for a drink, so we can have a talk and you pass on some
A
information?
drink or an interview?
A drink as co-workers,
As co-workers, because you have no more questions, right?
well, as of right now, no, because you don't have any answers, but
Oh, sure, Jess, sure. Anything you say, anything for Jess.
I'll definitely give you a text, alright?
Alright.
Thank you.
Yes, Jess, yes.
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am. This is Detective Brown. So all I want to do for me is calm down, because I know this will be a tough time for you, but is there any information you can tell me about what took place?
I don't know what to tell you, sir. All I know that my son went to work and he didn't come home back.
Okay. So
I don't know what you can do to help me.
you know if your son involved in any wrongdoing or anything at all?
I have no information, sir.
So alright, so what I'm gonna do for you still, I'm gonna take some information from you about your son's name, his age, type of work you do, and also your name, cell phone number, and so on. So we're gonna try and find out what exactly took place and see if we can get a hold of whoever did this murder, and then we can give you a call on it. Alright?
Okay, sir.
Alright, so what's his date of birth?
Born the 6th of April 2007.
Alright. What type of work he does? It does.
I'm a welder.
Alright, so for you now, so can you provide me with a full name, please?
Gracie Miller.
Also with a telephone number.
0003110.
So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna run some investigations, and if anything comes, I will call you as I have your number here. So I'm just sorry for your loss, and please to be minded that we're gonna do this because we're here to serve and protect. So let's go home and get some rest, man, and look out for a call from us.
May I beg you, please, sir, if you can help me find out the reason why they kill my son. I want to know who killed my son, because my son I don't know wrong door.
Alright, we're definitely gonna work on it. Alright?
Yes, sir. So in case I want to call down at the station, you can give me a number, please.
Alright, that is no problem, you know, but I don't think it's necessary for you to have our number because we definitely have a number here. We're gonna do some investigations. So as soon as I said anything come up, I will give you a call. I will definitely give you a call. Alright, Mr. Gracie,
Aye.
take your time.
Hey, baby.
Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Missy Jessie. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, where you wait for? Over here, so you get all of the updates. Nothing can miss it over here, so promise. If you already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. So guys, big news last night, you know. Shots fired last night on the corner bar. Not that me I celebrate anybody's death, but shots fired, somebody died. Now I hear that the young man was 17 years old. You can't imagine you lose your life at 17. What could I do? No, I'm not sure if it is wrong place, wrong time. Who knows? I don't have much information thus far, but that is what I heard, so I'm sharing, which is the right thing to do. Alright. So with sports, as you know, Jamaica is closer than ever to making it to their second World Cup. We're doing so good. Everybody say big up Jamaica in the comment section. Because them are do good. Them really, really are do good. No, although I'm Jamaican, I know some now carry Jamaica already. One Brazil, one Neymar. Right? And big up Oblique Civil, because he's bringing a gold. And I know from Usain Bolt drop out, not much they really are going for Jamaica, you know, when it comes to tracks. So we have said big up Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt, anyway you're there, big up yourself. Now with the brown man situation, I really want to touch that topic, you know. I really want to touch that topic. But my coworkers, you know, other YouTubers and TikTokers are doing a lot of people are doing the story, and I don't really want to say much on it because, as you know, there's not much information out, and I don't want to speak on speculation because me not have much luck, and me not really want nobody come for me. So, but as soon as I get more information, I promise you, I'll be updating you because what is Missy Jessie here for? To give the information to the viewers. So guys, big up. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, like, and share because if you're not sure how other people can get the information, talk to me. Remember to leave a comment. Remember to big up Oblique and the twin. Also, with the shooting, I'll be sure to get back to you. Because like I said, I don't have much information. But as soon as I get the information, I'll be sure to pass it on to you. No, thank you for tuning in. I'll be sure to check in later. Bye, guys.
Where are they from, man?
Yeah, man.
Why? The case, brother. I don't know.
Just have a conversation with the mother, you know. But based on what the mother said, mother said, well, she don't know what going. You see, because she thinks that our son is a hardworking man and thing. So I really know what to say.
Why?
I think we have a deep investigation with upon this murder still.
Yeah.
Because based on all the gunshot wounds, how much a gunshot thing and everything,
Yeah,
it
man.
have to be something.
You have to do something.
Have to do something.
I feel like your mother probably knows it, you know.
Why?
Feel like she probably knows it, you know.
Because she come sit down in front of me crying.
I want to put on a show, you know, brother.
So I really don't know.
I know what I watch that. Nobody watch it balling. But
So I tell her, I said, I give her a call, so I come take her number
yeah.
and thing, and as soon as I get up, give her a call because I really love for she know who still.
Yeah, man. And she has some more information. She must can give you something more. Because I just talk to the same blogger girl down here.
Who that?
Missy Jessie, you know.
See, what you going with?
Why? She a build a story. That are for sure.
It's
see me?
to always be the flag of them.
Yeah, man. And she a try pick at some things and she a try put some things together.
Sometimes I wonder if she really a get a, what would I say?
Credible.
Story. Because sometimes
Find it credible, you know.
when she says some things in her flag them, I wonder if it really goes so or it goes so.
Brother, she literally want to tell we things where the police no know. How you feel know things where the police no know?
Right.
Eh? And he's a blogger.
Why, honestly, Miss Grace, I know say nothing when I go say now. Nah, I'm gonna bring you no farmer comfort, but honestly, just know say Dario did a good youth. And me know right and I say he need have big dreams of someday opening his own welding shop. And boy, it just cut short. I'm sorry, but honestly, the police didn't say nothing to you.
They say they don't find out who do it yet, but then still they investigate and them do what them fi do. Me fi leave it in a fi them hand. So me have to just leave it in a fi them hand, cause what me can do about it? We can't do nothing about it. More than me just pray and ask God to give me some strength. You see anybody way do me son that, I left them to God and time. Because me know say nah go so. I must something make them kill my son. Why them kill my son? My son, me no know if my son they in a no bad nothing at all. My son a no wrong door.
Me know a good youth. But yo, you see if me hear nothing, me will make you know. Because me know them are people in our community that stay. When nothing like this happen, everybody stay silent. It's like I see I'm blind and hear I'm deaf. But if me hear nothing, man, me make you know.
And the worst of all, when they see something happen like this, them a rejoice like a something good happen. And I could have feed them family. And me alone a feel and my son when me care for 9 months in my belly. And nobody can give account for what happen. Nobody can say nothing all when they know they don't know. I understand.
True.
I understand.
But here, you see if in case of anything and you need any help because me know say at the end of the day, look at sitting have to keep up, look at candle light and thing and funeral or something and dead yard. So if in case of nothing and you need any farmer financial assistance, just make me know, me do what me can do. Alright?
Bull. Say, you know, say.
Yo. Mama's boy. Yo, you see the over here, sir?
What about that, man? You know, say no? You know, say I'll come move the way we make. And you know, say, around somebody get canned daddy.
I mean,
The youth, an innocent youth get canned, man. Miss Grace's son.
Miss Grace's son.
Yeah, man, look a black youth there, man.
So brother, remember say we see man I take out the thing out of bag I sell the weed.
But I know him, because weed still a sell up there. A wrong person we shot daddy. I don't even know my best about it.
Brother, right now that's soft, brother. Right now that I just a casualty that brother.
You know feel no way about that daddy. Innocent youth that man. Miss Grace's son, man. Youth to work out of Mattox. You know Miss Grace man will sell clothes, man.
No Gracie man. But yeah, watch out brother, what we have to do? We done do it already, you know. Only thing left we do.
We have to be careful of what we are do, brother. We have to be careful of what we
Yeah,
are
man,
do.
say
You can't just do things so
the
that.
only thing we can do in this situation is buy Miss Gracie 3 cases of water and some malt and something for the dead yard and them something. You see me I say? And if we can't do nothing for the funeral, same way again, we just buy her one little 50 pound of chicken and a couple buckle of rum.
So you say I go deal with that.
We can deal with it then, man, if that be the case. But other than that, we just have to talk to her.
So I do, I deal with it now. Because I don't feel good about this, you know.
Yeah, move too soft, you know. But
I mean soft, brother. I just do the right thing, man.
alright, come we go link Miss Gracie and see what she depend.
You understand? If you can negotiate something with her, you know. I just saw things set. But if you can't do it, so bro. Gracie. Good evening.
Good evening. You need anything to buy?
Well, I know. I don't really want nothing to buy still, you know. But I hear about your youth. So I come to say how I come pay my respect. You see me? So I just know the situation and I know the street set and I want to come show my support and tell you my sincere condolences. You understand? And if me know how, me personally would have kill myself for you because me know you and you're a good woman. You see me? And I know whatever me say now can change the facts say you dead, now can bring him back. You see me? I just the street and in on the street at the wrong time at the wrong place. You see me? And I don't know say the streets don't really love nobody. It's a very dog eat dog world we live in now. You see me? I know money can't bring him back either, but I know he can probably fix up some of the situation them and sort out the funeral and something. You see me? Just go and hold on that there. As I say sorry about your youth again, you understand what I mean? I know money can't bring him back still, but
I don't want your money. No thanks. Me alright.
oh man, you can't disrespect me like that, mama.
I no disrespect. Me no want no dirty money. Me alright with my son. God will help me to bury him. You understand me? I don't want it. Only no sorry for me. Me don't want nobody sorry for me, pity me, and give me no money towards my son burial.
You hear me I say? Take it as a me, you know. But I say if me hear say nothing else go on and no police involved and you ask too much question, we can't go give no mercy, you know. You see me? The streets. And when the streets talk, just have to answer.
So hold on there. Threaten me towards my son burial. Eh? Hello.
You hear me I say?
So no know something about my son's death? You no have something to do with it?
You hear me I say? Just don't ask too much question. You hear? We don't talk to you, you know. We just come for show with support and say my condolences.
Me
And
no
so,
want no money from you. No go on.
have a
You
good
not
day,
force me
yeah?
to take no money for. Don't force me to take no money. Me no want it.
Close your window.
Hey, day off, man. Where are they again, brother? Eh? If you don't like a day off, you can't give me, you know.
I want to tell you, say, some local last minute paper we can deal with, you know, come from the shooting from Monday, you know.
Real man.
Yeah, but I want to go further and see if we can book one, so we can go lay down.
You know, me I say, man, me I say, if you don't have no use for your day off, man, me can't take it. Because me a whole part thing I road for go deal with, you know. You know?
CC
Good day, sir.
Good day.
You know, so just to go on my name stall. And 2 man come on my stall. Threaten me and force me to take money from them. So them a
Threatening you.
Yes, them a threaten me. And them
About what?
towards my son death. Forced me to take money from them. So them a help me. Say a funeral, anything when I want buy pertaining to a funeral, me must take him money.
But I don't understand. You're getting threat and you're getting money from the same people giving a threat.
Officer,
You sure it's not some of his friends, man, that they just come to...
and my son no keep them that kind of friendly. Man, they look dangerous. Me afraid of them. And the way they force the money upon me and they tell me to take it, it's like maybe if nobody in the past then I try to do me something worse. Me I tell them say me no want it, me no need no help from you, and then still they force me to take it. And then threaten me on top of it too. You know, officer, The way how them a talk to me and what them a say. To me, it look like them have something to do with me dead son.
Boy, this is very interesting. And I feel like you're really onto something, you know. But tell me something. Do you know any of these persons?
Me know one of them in officer, but when him a force the money for me, I have to do like me no know him. Because me afraid of them. Me no know where they come about, where they hope to more than me no know if I come then come fi come analyze me, them a come force and money for me.
So who is this
The
person?
big thick one, he name Bull, me know him.
Bull. You mean John Bull?
Maybe I saw his name. Me hear, I don't know.
I think John Bull is the only person that we have as a person of interest right now. That's from the area. Alright, so
Officer, what you think? Why me just sit down and then just come and force money for me? Say towards my son's funeral. Me never ask them for.
and he's not his friends.
No.
Well, if it's not his friends and they are giving you money, then seem to me like it's some kind of cover up taking place.
Officer,
They might be connected to what happened.
my son no keep friend. From home to work. I'm going boss know him. I mean
Alright.
work with.
Alright. I'm going to look into the matter. I'm going to look into the matter, man.
You see all the next one who did stand up beside me?
Mm.
After me tell the other one who did stretch the money give me, said me no want it. You know, said that one they still a force the money for me.
Yeah, man.
And him grab you out of my hand. The next one Rasta one, he grab the money out of me hand, and then before they walk off, them did that in him personally, the Monday. And then long after me see him a force it on me. Me not like that something, sir. Me I ask if you please sort out this to me, 'cause right
Yeah, man.
now, me feel scared for my own life.
Oh, don't need to be scared. You just make sure that you stay home and keep off the streets for a little while. Right? We're going to do our investigation and
Okay.
try to apprehend him.
Alright.
Alright?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
I seriously believe that woman is telling a lie.
You feel so?
You
Well,
know, you should mix up.
I will what things are going.
Me just believe say she just want to get money locked up for her son.
You feel so?
Cause just a call up some name. She could not even know in John Bull.
Well, she said Bullwood and he said John she not to pick up.
I don't know what.
But me still have to look into it still.
My belief still. And if I want to believe what I say, I think I should believe what I say, you know.
May I hear you, man?
I think I should believe.
No,
Because what? Alright, so there's one mix up, brother.
well, what is something go so something might I near for go so.
But
Still have to look into it, man.
we're gonna look into
Yeah.
it still.
Might be a waste of time, but you know,
Why make it even involved on what they have?
that I feel
Look
problem,
more.
man. Let it place, man. Sure.
Rotted. Party leg.
Oh, go on.
Where they pan?
They're enough for everything good.
Boy, other day me see you take on broad man the dog. Boy, yeah, duck so.
I'm going to tell you, just load up, man. Different to come out, man.
How you come out now?
You know, it's a big man thing, though. I'm a conversation, a report, and I call up a name. And naturally, I don't like what I go on now.
What I mean?
You know what I do for me now? When you tell me straightforward, and I'm grown up, and I tell me as it is, bro. You see me? Because you know, I always have a back.
What I mean what woman come down? Which woman?
When I call up a name, I say something about some youth who did a drive-by, like our son or something like that.
Brother, you see that woman there? You know what I say? Our son did I'm growing here as a decent citizens and say, oh, may I give her a piece of things just to help with the burial and thing. And she probably feel like I say, a bribe, come for bribe, or I know nothing about her son death. You see me?
Oh.
So I just a money me can grow and I go give her. And she a try for Ray. But me I tell her say she can't they look down in wrong hole because of, you see me? And you know it's streets.
Yeah.
You know it's streets, go.
Cause naturally, me like how I go on the bull. You know, you're my friend, dog. You know, me always have as I'm telling you, brother. And I know anyone mix up in something like that. We know that you're bad people, say what. I want to protect you from what I think, dog. You see it?
Yo, Jono, me tell you what go on. You see me? Me hear say a man dey out of Fimi ground I sell weed. And he not supposed to out there on Fimi ground and sell weed. Zine, stay so Thompson, rise up a car, me and Rhino go out there, pull up, be 2 shot, somebody dead. You understand? Cause we see a little transaction that go on, but you end up a wrong person. You see me?
See.
So it was just a mistake. So that's why I grow and then I want to say, oh, I give you man a thing to just make sure you can bury your son in peace.
Still, you have to be careful on this thing, dog. Can watch out. You cannot keep people mistaken, bro. You see me? That's not right, brother. But here what I do for you still. I can prevent her. And if you come back at the station, make sure you know say I know you. You see it? And thing, but in the meanwhile, I link upon a man upon the up. You see me? Can spread some false rumor upon the youth say I'm a bad man and you rob people and all of them things there. You see it?
That's the right thing, man. I make a link, man.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Send me a message Jesse, say look her up on the up.
Message Jesse.
Message Jesse. Just look her up on the up, man. And she spread some false rumor for you. You see it? Make you know say you're a bad man. And all type of them dirty hoodlum thing there.
Yeah, but you know me I say Zine. Right now I want some shot in a dog. Cause you kinda run out of shot in a.
Yeah.
I want a couple bucks.
So you are gonna go up on the radar, go up on, you know. We get a couple rounds, you know. So we just move to fear make you get them, isn't it?
Yeah, man, want a couple of.
So I say, brother, just be careful next time, brother. You can't keep people by mistake, you see it?
You know you go dog. Sometimes I just say go dog.
Natural thing, man.
I must say the same thing. You go out there and you kill a couple of people by mistake too, bro. You know the thing said. You have to count the tally, you know, man. Well, like now I'm busting up on the road.
You know, let me stand up out here, sir.
Outside there, go south.
Yeah.
So your name Motor Jesse?
Motor Jesse. Messy Jesse. But yeah.
Message Jesse on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
I always see and I always subscribe to your channel, you know. You see me? I always click all the notification bell to so as I post something I see.
Thank you.
Cause I just always like you just put yourself together, you know, but you don't know, I see you put out on news the other day.
Which one?
But the little youth, the man will get shot, man.
Oh, the 17-year-old?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know he's not so innocent as how to put it out though, but you don't know, if you want to mess up the news a little bit.
What?
I say, him not so innocent as how to make it signs for the news one report.
Oh, you know him?
Yeah, I try to tell you, you know, so innocent. Some of them want to mess up the news a little bit. I mean, a content you create, you know. You understand? So I just want to content them and you don't know. I mean, they call John Bull, you know, so.
Hold on. So you say you know him, right? And you say you watch the video. So since you watch the video and in the video me still not have much information.
I say I give you more information now. With some money, I just mess up the news a little bit. Just tell them say
Wait, mess up the news? What does that mean?
I mean like I had the message just say your name.
Yeah.
So you talk some more like say oh he's a hoodlum. It's alleged that he's a hoodlum and he's in a gang and he's a part of the wrong foot gang.
So he's not a part of the wrong foot gang?
He is a part of the wrong foot gang. So you have to put out the news properly when you do them. So you must say, you build up a thing, you know. So you have to build credible news. You understand? I mean, I give credible stories. Say he's a part of the wrong foot gang. But
it sounds like you're not sure.
No, tell you, you're not sure, you're not listen, man. I show you car and the bus, man. I pass and on to hear what I say.
Alright, give me information there. I've said he's a part of the wrong foot gang and him.
Yeah. I think he's a alleged gang member.
Oh really?
Yeah. And this I know when I say me there again. I just feel buy a lunch or something because as I say me always support you, you know, me always say I always say I want to meet you too in person can
Like a fan?
Yeah.
Oh, well, thank you.
My biggest fan, man. Just take care of yourself, man, and keep doing what you're doing on the channel, you know. You understand? You make a lot of females look good. You understand? Keep up the good work.
Thank you. Welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Missy Jessie. I received information from credible source that this 17-year-old goes by the name Dario. Now, Dario full name is Dario Simpson. Dario is from a district in Petersfield called Frome Boulevard, right? Now, as I promised, I would be back with information regarding the shooting. And as promised, I am here. Most of you might already have gotten information on this, but for the ones who don't have the information, me there to update you. Now, as me mentioned before, this young man was 17 years old. Being gunned down in Jamaica is a common thing. It is very common. Wrong place, wrong time. You know, it happens, unfortunately. However, I heard from credible source that it was not wrong place, wrong time. This young man was caught up in all kind of things. No, he wasn't as innocent as a lot of people might think. You know, people in our community, we want to say, him did innocent, him did innocent. Lies, he was not innocent. He was doing drugs, he was handling guns, bad company. I want to say bad company, and know me talk about gang. Young, 17 years old, the better. When mother there, what the father, what the parents. You can't grow your child like this. Now if you're pitney and live like this, what you feel like the outcome are gonna be? If you live by the gun, you shall die by the gun. Again, me not celebrate for nobody pitney death. But I just the truth. You live by the gun, you're gonna die by the gun. Right? So like I say, drugs, handling guns, and gang. Why are you doing all those things as a 17-year-old? Want me to school? Nobody not go to school again? Nobody? You can't upon corner and dig out and miggle and expect your life to turn out good. Where your parents? What the father? What the guardian? 17 years old? No man understands the age of consent is 16, but that's still not giving a right for the upon the corner and dig out and miggle. Or even caught up in the things that we are caught up in. Because you doing all these things is by choice. Nobody no force if you do none of them something here. You choose all of this. So now, parents, you have to do better. Me can have my 17-year-old pan corner, I buy a special, I buy 100 bag, something tucking aside. For what kind of reason? What kind of reason? And guys, the mother have to know. You're not here in the streets, you're not sit down and talk to your pitney. Parents chat to the pitney because if you don't talk to them, at least I gonna happen to them. Now we should bad pan about the pitney, but it's going to come. I promise you.
Forgive every man. It's Griffy. Hello?
Hello, officer.
Yes, morning. How you doing?
Morning. I'm doing fine.
Yeah, man. So we're here to just conduct a small interview with you this morning.
Officer, I know bother me and bother you. Me just want to ask one question before you start your conversation with me. Wanna find out who killed my son yet? Who unalive my son, sir? Me want to know because I go down at the station, go report it, and nobody now say nothing.
You see, that is what we're trying to get at. You know me, I'm a fan.
You can come out of the sun. You can come in right here, sir.
Thank you very much, man. So, Miss Gracie, I'm not sure if you are aware that your son was involved in gang activities.
I can't aware of something we never used to happen, sir. Go ahead and talk.
Miss Gracie, I'm not sure if you are aware of the video that is online right now circulating, you know.
What about the video that you see, sir?
The video clearly states that your son was involved in a lot of things.
Not my son. The devil is a liar. Not my son.
You see, you know, a lot of times these things happen and this is what we hear. We're used to hearing it. Everybody is always innocent.
Until they find them guilty. But my son only guilty of working at the what? You know my son used to work, sir?
No, man, please tell me.
Jesus. I'm not saying my son in a wrongdoing.
What
my son a welder.
He's a welder?
Yes. My son nothing.
Listen, you need to speak up and tell us the truth so we can find out who killed son. Because I see this plenty of times when parents try to prevent their son and protect their son when their son is involved in wrongs. And I'm sure that video, I know that woman don't tell lie.
So, wanna take hearsay and police always they tell we as a civilian say, them then at the hearsay we have to sure, we have to see things first. So you hear and believe. Eh? You believe what woman has said on social media. Sir, he's my son. And my son gone and come back and me I feel it and me I go through the pain. And me alone in my sorrow and me alone and mourn for my son. You are going to tell me, say, you hear say? Lord God. Sir, why you not always make it look like I say we are the bad person when somebody dead and gone? I am the victim here.
But if you know something, you need to let us know.
Me no know nothing more than me know so my son is a welder and he never end up in a nothing bad yet.
So what if he was building like those one popcorns?
Jesus Christ.
Possibly, you know. A lot of people,
you too, officer.
A lot of side hustle on the side, you know. We're not saying that he was directly acting, but he could have been facilitating it.
Facilitating, Jesus Christ. Why not try though? Why not try to convince me if he say something about my son where he not guilty of? Like seriously? Me need to get a lawyer. This is serious. You know, push down things down in a me if he say when it really happen. My son was a welder. Me tell you no 1 million times. Me go down a station, me report it. Wanna come about? Wanna no find out who unalive my son? Wanna come put on things for me? If me say things about my son when not guilty of. Like seriously?
It's seriously, we just conduct an investigation.
Conduct? With me, sir?
Nothing personal. You're making it seem like it's personal.
With
we have
it's personal. And my son. Me.
I don't know your son, you know.
You don't know my son.
I'm just doing my job right now.
Me know, but how no believe that the woman that we have spread false accusation about my son. How no can believe me.
That is your...
We birth my son. I mean know about my son or the woman. Are the woman's son? It looks so. Okay. I can't my son. It's my son.
Based on your reaction right now, you need to just calm down and just come to the station and make a report again.
Calm down? Why no calm down and go figure out who unalive my son and tell me foolishness? Eh?
Seriously, we'll keep in touch, yeah?
Sir, please, may I talk to you a little bit? You can't just, please, may I ask you, please, want you find out who unalive my son and why they do it? Because I want to know why they kill my son. I want to know the reason why. Because my son is not wrong door.
Yeah, man. We're working on it. I am working on it. No. My partner is working on it.
No, sorry, you see, from your car, are your partner?
Yes.
In crime. Listen to
me.
No,
not in crime.
I'm most in crime because you see him come here, they can't judge me wrongfully, sir, and you turn up, they listen man, you not say nothing.
No, you can't say that, man. He's not judging, he's doing his job.
Me know police not let down police, not take up phone one another and put civilian under the ground all when they right we wrong, but me left everything in a garden.
In that conversation, you know.
Go on, sir. Me thank you no fi come, fi chat no foolishness what you just say, but me not agree with you no.
Alright, Miss Gracie. We'll keep in touch, yeah?
This woman, know where something involved in it.
Well, my fees are too, you know.
Based on how she attacked, she knows her son was a hoodlum.
She tried too hard to defend him.
I can't understand this. We need to just close this case. As you can see, she knows there's something about
it. I contemplate, you know, if you just close the case because Obviously, I feel something.
So,
And I want to feel bridging them or so probably I'll kill him
she
too.
go say our son as a welder. Who to tell our son now make firearm with? Who to tell that?
Boy, yo, them people that make my life hard. They make police work hard, you know, man.
Oh, I'm gonna tell him.
Out my son have to come and do them work, you know. And a waste of time, you know, a waste of time. This is a half a waste of time. I can feel it. I feel it in my heart. So that boy was a criminal.
But we'll close this case. It's sad to say, but we'll close this case.
Yeah, man, I go, man. I got just write up the documents and close it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Are the best
It
thing.
make no sense.
Are the best thing.
Waste of resources and everything.
Lady, can't believe say you spread rumors for my dead son. What kind of wickedness can in your head, so? Eh? You don't have no pitney? Me can see you never breed from your barn. But me is a mother and is my son dead. I me no understand how you dep on social media and spread rumor for my dead son. How you? You don't have no heart. Eh? You not woman, you don't have no heart. Miss, me I ask if you stop from call up my dead son name and spread wrong. Hey, stop spreading wrong news about my son. You hear me I tell you, miss? Me dey beg you because me want to moan about my son in a peace. Why you do such a thing like that?
Miss, me can ask you one question? You come and load up your mouth. You do everywhere where your son there? You see everything where him do? That is a question. Because I got information from credible source that your son was a part of a gang. Now I received the information, I have to put it out. And me not feel like nobody a tell a lie for your son because my credible source is a part of your community.
Miss, are you then call Messy Jessie?
Right.
Are you always they dig up the wrong information them and I can spread news on social media about people where you not even sure about? You never see them yet, you don't go hear news and believe. What you mean when you say? Eh? You hear say my son did involve in all kind of wrongdoing and you believe so. What you mean? You're out of order. Messy Jessie, you need to get a grip of yourself. You need to get a grip of yourself and think before you talk. You hear me? Else, look out for your soul. Me, where you see stand up your soul, all when my son dead and gone. Woman, you know so me can sue you for defamation of character. And if you not take what me say serious, look out for one paper can serve to you. Me and you are going to quote about this. Make sure say, at the last thing come out of your mouth about my son. And at the other day when me hear the news the way you spread on social media, me no want to hear nothing else out of your mouth about my son. You hear me I tell you?
Miss, I do this for a living. I'm already lawyer up. So if you want to sue, do you? That's fine.
So you ready to walk around and tell lie on people. You get wrong information about people and tell lie on them and collect money. Oh, miss, the money them where you collect for the wrong information them where you get and come spread it on social media. When you take it and go with a supermarket or wherever go buy food, how you eat it, all that consume inside of you.
Miss, go on home, go morning, son.
Oh, you eat it and feel comfortable. Me don't understand. You not no family? What make you so wicked, woman? Jesus Christ. Hey, you know what? Me I go about my business. May God go with you.
With you too.
You is a wicked woman.
My condolences.
No thanks.
Right now, should even know. Right now, there's a new transmission. This is mechanical tell me say it one time. So sparks plug and alternator want change. Oh God no. So it's a green here. I just alternate and run it, so everything good.
Bull, right?
Hold on the base. Let me call you back. Good evening. You did good on the report that I make. You're doing a wonderful job for your country, you know. You see? I know I could depend on you, you know.
So, about that, right? That's what I came to talk to you about. So, the mother of the child, of the deceased, she came to me earlier and she said the information I'm going to put out wrong. So, it's either you are trying to set me up or you're onto something. I don't know what it is.
I mean, she come to you. She come to you.
Yeah, so me kind of have to take down the video.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell you, man, necessarily, stop looking at all the enough for looking at, man. I mean, yo. But sorry about that, man. I just saw she stay. You see me? She kind of delusional, you know, something. I think she take it too hard. Right now, she need like probably see some psychiatrist or something. She need help. You never see it on her.
The information you gave me, it was accurate, right?
But then what you know, man? In the street, man, you know, in the street, me there, you know. And me I tell you the news from in the street, you know. You understand? I don't know go around thing, I don't know pretty up nothing, you know. And mother, I don't know everything what his son I do. You see me? It's alleged.
It's alleged, but you said the information is accurate.
Then me not tell you something, man. I tell you say off the street, me I tell you this thing from.
Bull, either way, me have to take down the video because at this point, I don't know. I mean, I want people come at me.
No, man, you done, look, what you gotta do? You done put up your content already, you know. You gonna make because the woman tell her that you take it down. She can't do nothing, she can't come out of that, man. Let that alone.
Listen, the lady I plan for sue me. I don't have time for that.
Don't worry about her, man. Maybe we take care of her, yeah? Don't worry
What does
about
that mean? Maybe we need to start looking into you because you ask some questionable things.
look into me. The last time somebody tried to look into me, you know what happened to them? They end up like the person who did that. Me, I tell you, say, could just leave that alone. You understand?
Fine, me gonna leave it alone by taking down the video and walking away from all this because...
Look, leave the video alone and keep the money where you have. Because I like say, I can't take it back from you again. I done take your money already. You know?
Right, your money done.
So you can't take down my video. What you gonna do? If you take down my video, this you disrespect me, you know.
Wait,
I know
but-
me have to go pre differently now, you know.
Bull, you never pay me for put up no video. I do content. It would video
No,
I
but
got anyway.
You take some of my money, don't you? Don't me give you money.
You gave me the...
Me give you US. Nobody feel like I send a little fool money me give you no man. Say nobody feel like I can't come give me back the money and them. You done do the work, you make the work stay. And if you want to try go around the thing, then me have to go pray differently. And you don't want me pray differently. Cause you're a girl and you look good and me not, you see me? But if any, what you know? A bull talk to you, mama. John Bull, you know.
But just to say, you never pay me for doing a content. I do content, the content would have gone anywhere. You gave me the money as a supporter, so oh yeah, make it sound like you pay me for putting up content.
Yeah, what go on. Have a lovely day. Alright? Just make bygones be bygones. And nobody looking at no handsness way enough you look. Cause hands will bite you, yeah?
Whatever that means.
Hands will bite you. You're too pretty to make hands bite you up, yeah?
Yeah, so you say I go on now, Grace.
Why? I don't know nothing good.
Then what could have worse? Your son done did already, what could have happen again?
Bad story. A man tricked me. And I push on money for me. Because me I tell them say them a half my money to me. And me I tell them say me no want it. Them a push you all in my lap, them a dash down in money. Me take up here and dash it back out there so give them, then take up here and they say, if me no love my life. Me not understand.
So hold on, let me ask you. So you know them?
I know one of them, you know. But me act like me no know him. Because me no want them come do me nothing. And the way how them attack, me I wonder if them know something we go down with me son.
Then no, Gracie. If a them I try pay you off about your son murder, that means they know what going on, most probably all them do it. So hold on, you not go tell the police.
You don't understand, you know. You don't understand. You know, say me go to the police them get information from some girl on social media named messages say my son involved in a whole heap of badness and me, and then you know what hurt me. The policeman now looking at me here, you know. Me all can be him, and I can't tell me say me look like I say me know the badness them when my son when they do me.
Why that don't even sound good. Me say you say a sudden little social media vlogger turn, you know, spread propaganda and spread news when nothing no go so. That's why people have to listen credible news source and not listen to some of them because them a get hearsay, and when they get hearsay them a talk like a fox. You know, so you can't swear though.
But listen at you know the reason why me not really want call out one of them name it true because me no want nobody here but the one I know he name Bull.
Rotted well. Then Gracie. Then Bull no bad dirty boy. You can't get yourself involved in a Bull. Me not tell us if you're afraid of them and make them call you down, you know. But Bull a bad man. Don't tell nobody say me tell us so, you know. But you don't know say MP other day with them kill. Are him involved in it?
Me hear about it. I true me no want say nothing and me turn in my house and lock up in there and keep myself to myself because right now I'm afraid of the people them. I want to go and shop and I'm afraid to go.
Alright, but here what you do. Cause if them are sitting here going with Jesse Messi and plus the bad man them, the best thing you can do a local investigation and lay low. Cause you can't your son done that already. I mean know you want justice, but you have to also protect your own life too. See?
Me not take no money from them. Them are wicked.
No, me not tell you to take it either because that no right. That no right none at all. But no worry yourself. Me want to see if me can help finish up that steer case that we are do before night come down. But hurry up and come off the road. Because I would like to see them see up on the road and do nothing.
Me did kind of run out of some money and me have to go buy more Kangland, some more rum and something, you know.
No worry yourself.
So.
Me I go come link you with a piece of money and give you for you the way you do.
Alright.
But me done tell you already, so just call upon me, you know, man. So hurry up and come off the road before later.
Alright, Mattox. Thanks, yeah?
Alright, yeah, man.
Hi, Mr. Barnett.
Yes, Miss Jess.
So you're not happy to see me?
I'm not quite sure if I should be happy to see you, but how can I assist you today?
Why not?
We haven't had any incidents today, any reports or anything, so I'm not sure I can assist you today.
So that's the only reason I can come to see a friend? Because you're my friend, right?
That's the only reason you come to the station, Jess. That's the only reason you come here for information.
Well, that's not completely true, but I do have some questions.
Go ahead.
All right. Are you familiar with Mr. John Bull? He's from the Petersfield.
Yes, I'm aware of Mr. John Bull.
So why you ask them? I just want to ask some questions.
Okay, proceed.
All right. So, to be honest, you know, I got some information about a murder. About the 17-year-old that died. And he kind of bribed me. Well, not really, but he gave me some money to spin the story.
Is that so?
And I did.
Okay. Tell me more.
So like one day I was on the road and like the deceased mother, she came to me and she said some stuff. So I decided to go back to him. And when I went back to him, he threatened me. So like, I plan to do some digging on him, but before I do that, I do want to know what kind of person he is. You know, because I'm a friend and in case you have my back, you know?
Jess, I think you're heading down a rabbit hole you don't want to go any further now.
You don't see.
And not a matter of fact, I don't think you are really aware of who John Bull is. And by the way, have you been digging? You should have been known by now. But I can tell you, we have been trying our very best to put away that man for quite some time. And every time it just slipped through our fingers. So now you want to run another story again. You see, you should ensure that you fact check before you put out the information, you know. You understand? And that's the problem we have with the bloggers. Upsetting, man, upsetting.
Correction. I'm not a blogger. I'm a journalist, right? And the informations that I'm putting out are normally factual. Just this one time. Just this one time. Listen, I haven't started any digging on Mr. John Bull, but I would love to do some digging.
I really don't know what to say to you, you know. I don't know. I give up. You're not a blogger, you're a journalist now. All right. Anything you want to be, whatever you want to be or who you say you are, that is who you are. Right? Yes, Miss Jess. So I think you should leave it alone. That's just my say. But if you'd like to make a report on your bribing situation or your threats that were made towards you, or if you want to go ahead and retract that video that you put out with false information, you know. You see, I'm giving you good advice and not warning you and not threatening you either. I'm giving you good advice. Take it how you please.
Well, I already took down the video.
Congratulations, you're making good steps forward.
There is no need for the sarcasm. I don't want to make a report or give a statement. I just want to do my own digging because I mean, somebody threatened Mr. Jesse. I have to put it out.
Right. I think that's enough for today. So, I suggest you continue digging back outside of
Mr.
the
Barnett,
station.
I thought we had a ban, but it's fine. And you know what? After I do my digging, I'll let you know if I find out anything, all right?
Thank you very much.
You're so welcome.
We appreciate it at this force.
Mm-hmm. I'm Miss Gracie.
What are you doing in my yard? Where do you? What are you doing in this yard?
Well, I came to apologize to you.
Apologize to who? Apologize to me? Message Jesse, me no want to apologize from you. You come back for one next wrong information about my dead son. If you go spread it all over social media, say him in a wrongdoing. And him bad and him do this and him do that there. Where you want? No come back on me yard left. Make sure say this be the first and the last you come in at this yard there. Me no want you in here. You all of them wrong news them where you spread. All of the false accusation them all over social media. Woman, you really have heart to come to me in my yard. Fiwa, talk to me. What you want?
Well, I am coming to you as Jesse and not Messy Jesse.
Near God.
It's just that I come to the realization that I did something very wrong and it was unfair to you. So I took the video down, and that is not something that I would normally do.
My God. Where you say you take down the video?
I did.
Okay. Thank you for taking it down. Thank you very much. And I hope you go back, go make a new video and make the world, you know, anything up on social media, I will see it. Make the world see and know, say, my son was not a bad son I have. My son is a good son. My son is a tradesman, a welding Indo. And Uno and the devil sit down and plan false accusation against my son. When do you know? But anyway, I forgive you. And I hope you forgive yourself. You understand me? And I hope you will never turn back Messy Jesse again and stay as Jesse. Go on out of my yard.
Miss Gracie, I am truly sorry. If there's anything I can do to help with bringing whosoever was involved to justice, I will. I promise you that.
You sure?
Yes.
Thank you very much, and I hope you do what you say.
Yes, and my condolences.
Thank you.
Welcome back to my channel, my viewers. Welcome if you're new. Feel free to hit the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment. Now, I'm about to do something I've never really done before. I want to apologize to Dario Simpson's family, his associates, his friends, close relatives, and his mom. I took down the video, and a lot of people have been asking why I took down the video. It was because what I said in that video is not completely true. I thought the information was accurate. I thought my source was credible, but it turned out that that's not true. Dario was a good kid. He was the type of kid that went to school, finished high school, made his mom proud. Now I did my digging, and I didn't really find much on Dario. So somebody reached out to me and they passed on some information, and I ran with it, and I shouldn't have done that. So I'm apologizing to my viewers and the family. So if there's anybody, no matter how small it is, if there's anybody out there that has any information at all, feel free to pass it on to me or find the nearest police station and pass on the information. Because it is an ongoing investigation, and if we help the police, the faster the parents are going to get justice. And we need him to get justice. Because like I said, he was a good kid. He really was a good kid. Now, thank you for watching the video. Remember to leave a like, leave a comment, send lots of love to Dario's family, and please forgive me. I've never really done anything like this before. Even though I'm messy, Jesse, I'm not that messy. All right, so peace out.
Chopper. Yo, watch a video here. Can you see them people here, you?
Yo, you see all them vlogger here? Them no know if you left out of people business, you know.
Don't leave things alone. You reach too far now, man.
All me a try to tell a girl say, me I'll give her money, you know. But she know say she get the money, she have a price to pay. And I go and collect. You watch. I go and teach her a lesson. You hear?
You say I'm...
Me want you make sure you take her out. And the mother too.
No, man.
What you mean no, man? Yeah, check it
No,
out.
I kill no woman still, no, brother.
What you mean you not kill no woman?
Brother, I not kill no woman. I'm a bad man, you know. When I laugh.
Alright, sir. Brother, you're checking out the thing, brother. Yo, on a serious level, you know, brother. We have to get rid of him mother and she too, you know. So,
Brother,
you're in or out, brother? Because you come tell me about you're a bad man and you not kill woman, you know. You come tell man.
I not kill no woman. You do it, no? I cannot do it. You want them dead?
You go take out the mother and me we deal with the vlogger, you know. You see me? Because if you not deal with them, you know, brother, I too we are going to go to jail, you know.
So you say I go down here and carry me down?
Bro, them are some witness we can carry down, you know, dog. So what you do? We not left no witness, me not left no loose ends, bro. You see me? So just do the right thing and stop move like I say you're some little chicken, brother. You're going like say and the people them related. You and them not related. Just do the do.
No, what you saying, you know what you saying, but yo, do your part.
Yo. A mad sauce there. Tell him say me want the shoes them, you know. Yeah?
Yeah, man, you do my, but you do your part, man.
Yeah, come on, somebody rip me one tall shoes them. The tall shoes them come up on the ankle. Yo, come in, brother. I longer with there saying, man, I longer than living. Some man not love.
Why, Gracie? I'm sorry for where I go through, you know. God know, I'm sorry for no say. Then look at dirty boy in our community here. I take it by you. But no worry yourself. Me have a solution. So me make sitting down in my welding shop for you. Gracie, stop asking, man.
Mattox, why you carry this in my yard?
Gracie, listen, man. You have to use protect yourself. I want one pop. Listen, man, I want like one pop me make.
So what me must do with that?
No protect yourself and the little dirty boy them.
Blood of Jesus. My God will protect me. Mattox, you was my son, boss. Me can't believe say you come on me yard with them idea here.
Gracie, listen,
Mattox,
man.
what happened to you? No, listen to me, man. After my son name end up in such a nastiness, rumors spread all over the world on social media. Mattox, me not expect this from you. You really...
So Gracie, you gonna make them kill you? You gonna make them kill you?
They cannot kill me in Jesus' name. My God will fight for me. Mattox, put it back where you take it from. Put it back round them. Me no
Alright,
want
Gracie,
it. Me no
alright.
have nothing to do with no gun. What
Alright.
you carry come in my yard for?
Grace, you know some man no bad somebody like that. But at least you have to protect yourself. You can't make them kill you.
But Mattox, my hand then clean and never fire shot from the day me born. How me I go use that? And why you want me to use it? Me no want no protection from Mattox. Give me the money where you say when go give me to buy all of the candle them and the liquor them and everything. Thank you very much. And I want some cement to when time I grab a dig, but me no want no gun. Take it, thanks, but this my dear, me no want it. I really that you sit down and make down at your welding place?
Alright, Gracie. I respect your wishes. You understand? If I that you say, at least I say a thing go. Yep.
Jesus!
Put on.
Jesus!
Call the police, Gracie. Call the police.
You dead?
Call the German.
I'll win.
Call the
Jesus
police.
Christ.
Call the police.
Oh God.
Tell us you need one of them, Gracie.
Boy.
See boy look like he has a gun. Alright, stay right there, Gracie.
So you are going to let's say if look at girl living up. But really and truly, I want to know. And we have to talk to her about.
No, yourself, man. I kill more and kill her, man.
What do you mean I kill her and kill her, brother?
Brother, I'm telling you,
How can I spot her and put me, brother?
brother, yo, she's a witness. I'm not left no witness.
We should never come and say no, brother.
Brother, stop one like say a business as usual in a dog. You're police, man. You're killer police in a dog.
Bro, that's something I try to do to my career, no father.
Brother, me just
I'm done a prevent her from day one, brother. How it all look now?
yo, me could just do this quick, brother, and make sure say everything alright, brother. I'm telling you, I know that.
Alright, come on then.
So you say attitude never necessary?
What do you mean by that?
Because we're there years to know.
You know, so we're doing our public things different, you know. Just if you want to interview.
So why we couldn't get the interview?
So you know, you just get a while.
I mean, yeah, thank you, but you don't play harder.
So you have to go, man.
Look where hard get you. One second. Hello?
Yeah, yes, good night. Messi. Oh, a bull man.
Oh, boy, hey, wagon. Downstairs, why would I do downstairs? What's going on?
Just some news, me have to give you. You could just give me 1 minute of your time. As I say, sorry for coming bother you so late again, you hear?
Information? No, what kind of information would have to give me? Yes, I'm alone. May I come?
Alright, but downstairs. Mm.
Come on, I'll go downstairs.
Okay.
Now, man, you know.
Yeah, what go on?
Good night. You know what I say?
Mm-hmm.
It's a little thing me they come to tell you.
Yeah.
No man, don't be afraid, man.
Officer?
Hear me I say. You know say I chat too much though. And I come to tell you say, I shut you up for good.
First of all, I don't talk too much. I'm a journalist. That's what I do. That's what I get paid for.
Journalist, journal upon this then.
Bro, what you do for bro? What you do for brother?
Welcome back to my channel, my viewers. If you are not already a subscriber, welcome. Feel free to hit the notification bell, subscribe, like the video, always leave a comment. Now, I have good news. The police did a wonderful job on the Dario's case. If you are not currently familiar with that case, let me summarize something for you. He is the 17-year-old that was wrongfully shot in a drive-by. Now, I made a few videos on the case, so you can always go back down, scroll down on the channel and watch a few. Right, so like I said, the police did a wonderful job on the case. They currently have John Bull and his associate, Rhino, and a corrupt cop in custody. I'm not at liberty to say the police name right now because it is an ongoing investigation and me can't get in trouble for that, right? So big up the police force for the good job what them do. I have to commend them because this was dealt with properly. And the matter finally I get justice and we're happy for that, right? So finally, Miss Grace's friend, he is currently in custody because he made a homemade gun for Miss Grace's. Turned out that they end up using the gun, shots were fired, police was called and they made an arrest. He's currently serving time, but the police is lenient on him because he helped with the case. Like he played a big part. It's all over the news. So he'll probably be serving like 2 years maximum, right? So again, Miss Gracie, we are happy that you got justice. Guys, send lots of prayers and love for Miss Gracie because even though she get justice, she's still mourning. She's still missing a son. So we want to pray for Miss Gracie and make sure she's all right. I'm not sure when the funeral will be or anything like that. I haven't gotten any information. But if I know anything else, I'll definitely sure to update you. All right, so remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment.
When something bite you, just remember say...
Yo, nothing coming, no bag of chat. I'm a talk starting, brother.
Come on.
I sure the crowd by only man me have got this out upon that black there, you know. You see me? So I'll show the crowd and link me and tell me say yo.
So about that, Thompson. Surely crab only money have on a black day. Surely crab only money have on a black day. Sell weed to you.
Oh. Just keep it,
Me
man.
no want
Everything.
nobody pity me and they sorry for me and give me no money if you go help bury my son. Me alright, thank you very much. Take back your man.
Yeah, right thing you do, though.
Alright, what do you have like that? You want to say-
Right thing you do. Me I say, yo, you want to take it.
You not talk now.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
Okay, and
Hold on. You're telling say you're actively investigating the matter, so you're not at liberty to give out any information.
Yeah.
The definition. What?
defamation and character.
Defi what?
Defamation.
Me go say defi.
Defamation.
Oh,
of character.
defa.
Defamation.
Oh, come in here, go say wrong. That's why me only say def. Defi. Defamation of character. Oh. So me need want add nothing wrong on the defi me top.
Mister do this for a living.
Oh.
So I'm not afraid of lawsuits.
Defa. A defa or defi me?
Defamation.
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 Okay.
Just say it anyhow. Then
No.
Defa. Me know.
We need the
Why right word?
defamation.
Okay. Defamation of character. Alright.
You know I'm gonna say it wrong, Charlie. Then
want somebody with more guitar shoes and guitar shoes and a smoke on your Come meet me, kind of car.
Wait.
I'm not going for first. Don't wait, got the man.
Yeah, look how much time I give me for run.
Run. Wait. What? You know what I want? Yo, hear me I say.
Ready, come on, ready, and action.
Hear me I say.
Come on again, man. Get to my voice, stop, man. Ready now.
Hear me I say. You don't say chat too much.
Serious action. Come on.
Ready? Hear me I say. Message Jesse. You don't say chat too much. And hear what I go on. I come to shut you up in a girl. You hear me?
Wait, me not ready.
What?
I know you guys been saying this to me for years, that I should set up a Patreon account. So I tried it some years ago, but when I did try to set up a Patreon account, I didn't like how the interface of the account looked. So I didn't go in further with Patreon. So recently, I log on to it, I sign up, and I realized that the interface has changed and it looked like something that I could use. So what I did, I went ahead and I upload some of the movies to it for you guys to watch. However, these movies, the good thing about it is these movies that are on Patreon, you don't have to worry about advertisement. You can just watch them without ads. But here's the catch with that now. On Patreon, in order for you to get that access where you can watch the movies without advertisement, you have to sign up. And signing up is going to cost. So the cost for it is $5 per month. Not expensive. If you get a whole heap of movie without no ads, that's cheap. You know what I mean? And not only that, you will also be supporting the movement. You don't know every dollar I go help you push forward the dream of making what we are do become a reality. And one of the things that we plan to do is we plan to do some movies that are not going to be anywhere else except on Patreon. So that is one of the things, that is one of the good things about it. So for now, sign up, go and show some support. As long as I see the account grow, you know me, we start upload movies on it that is only available on Patreon. So the link will be provided in the description for the Patreon. So make sure you click the link and go over and subscribe. All right?
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you.
Just like when you do 10 years, you're soon going to do 10 too.
You think you can't diss me? Little boy, me too. You think me a beat me? I'm a little sister can't kill them. Play with him eye. Watch me dread. Yo. Mama can't rise up the gun quickly. Bow, bow. Mama can't. Yo. Be dead. Them dead enough.
Just remember saying not nice, I chat to. Allah boss, I chat to.
Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation, baddest thing in a Westmoreland. You can't diss me, we are do the thing right. Time come now, turn off the light.
Welcome back a road, mother man. What happened to you, man? Come on.
Anybody try to change the code, you don't give them the code.
Sean, what?
Done Kingston.
Don Kingston.
Yeah, man.
So you say, no, I bury to them, no, desert eagle, no, Ruga.
Yeah, man, me have a berry top on my belly.
I'm gonna give you back to the manager, and she's gonna tell you how much money you're going to pay to receive this prawn.
Prisoner no bed a road there.